Hello guys. Welcome back to my new video. Once again, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for regular notifications. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. We all know the rivalry going on since September 2018 regarding the world's most subscribed YouTube channel. T-Series, an Indian music channel, surpassed the world #1 YouTuber PewDiePie, and that's when it all began. Many YouTubers supported both the sides, and theirs was so much of drama when YouTubers started to even trespass the T-Series office in Mumbai. Now it all has taken a great turn point. There was also racist diss attacks on T-Series, and famous diss tracks went viral in YouTube. It all happened because of securing top position. T-Series kept its cool and they kept doing their stuff, and they secured the top position after few months. And then there was no stopping. It is a very proud moment for India, as the world's biggest YouTube channel T-Series has achieved another YouTube milestone by being the first one to complete an astonishing 100 million subscribers today. It is because of the cool trailers and songs which T-Series uploaded consistently and gained million likes and subscribers continuously. Some single video songs on T-Series have millions of likes and lots of comments. I personally feel that both of them are doing a great work. Comment down whom you like most. Once again, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like the video, and keep supporting me so that I can keep making such videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.